Today we're going to take a look at the Lippert Components outside mount power jack landing gear. Now this landing gear is designed to help you minimize setup time and get into the things that you want to do quicker. This landing gear set will let you raise and lower your trailer. It's ideal for fifth wheel trailers and RVs, and it is constructed with a powder coated steel to ensure that it'll resist rust and corrosion and hold up well against the elements. It's a heavy gauge steel construction, ensures durability and strength, and the durable black powder coated outer tubes provide excellent corrosion resistance. The outer tube dimensions are about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. It does use a standard speed electric motor which provides the lifting power, eliminates the need for any hand cranking, while the cross shaft right here ensures that the jacks will raise and lower at the same rate. Now it does include the power switch and power harness to connect to operate your motor. Now they do also actually include a crank handle which allows you to manually operate the jack if needed. That would just insert onto the end there and you can manually operate it up or down. The cross shaft right here, it does telescope so that you can fit the width of your trailer. The cross shaft length is anywhere from 41 inches up to 72 3/4 inches. Now each jack has a drop leg that allow the gear to reach the ground faster, saving you time as to set up your trailer or your RV. Helps level the trailer on uneven ground. The foot plates right down here at the very bottom, you can see very large foot plates. They offer stability, prevent sinking. Dimensions on those are about 6 1/4 inches long by 8 1/8 inches wide. The mounting brackets right here, 2 on each one. These will weld onto your trailer, and then the jacks will bolt onto those brackets with the included hardware. Few specs on this. The total lift is 33.5 inches. So basically that's the travel length of 19 3/4, and then the drop leg you get an additional 13 3/4. So those two added together will get you the total lift of 33.5 inches. The crank handle we had mentioned, that's going to be about 29 11/16 inches long by about 9.5 inches wide. The capacity on this set is going to be, if it's a single motor like it is shown here, it's 2,500 pounds per leg. If you switch it to a dual motor, it'd be 4,000 pounds per leg. And these parts are made in the USA. But that should do it for the review on the Lippert Components outside mount power jack landing gear.